Hey honey, welcome to the Beehive Beauty Lash tutorial. We really want to bring you a whole lash 101 today of how to apply your lashes. If you don't already have a box, head over to www.beehivebeauty.bigcartel.com and pick up a lash box. And if you already have a lash box, congratulations girl, thank you. Grab your lash box, grab your pretty eyeballs, and let's get going. So when you open up your Beehive Beauty Lash Box, what you're going to find first of all is this insert that has all of your little handy information on. And underneath that, the lashes. So at the top here we have Baby Bee and underneath Queen Bee. No matter which style of lash you're going to apply, the principle is going to be the same. So for today's demonstration, I'm going to show you how to apply Queen Bee. So what you're going to do first of all is just take your ribbon and lift it to help you remove the tray. So now that we've got our Queen Bees out of our box, all we're going to do is fold back the tray like so. This is now exposing the lash away from the tray. So working from the outer corner, I'm going to get a really good grip on the base of the lash. Don't want to pull right on the tips, we want to get a nice good grip on it and really gently pull down away from the tray. Now I'm just doing the same thing with this one, pulling from the outer corner really gently. Okay, our next step is to measure the lashes against our natural lash line. If you've ever found your lashes to be uncomfortable, if you ever felt them pricking in the inner corner or feeling like they're hanging off at the outer corner, the chances are that you didn't trim them enough. So I'm just going to take a little mirror and looking down, just place it kind of roughly on the eye and see how much I feel like needs to go. So for the most seamless application, your false lashes should start round about where the bulk of your natural lashes grow from. So for me that's going to be around about here. And they should end where your natural lashes end. So how much you trim off will purely depend on your own eye size and shape and your own personal preference. This is my inner corner of my lash and this is my outer. First off, I'm going to trim this little extra piece here. So for my personal preference, I'm going to cut off just about 2 of these little sections. So the next step is going to be applying glue to your lashes. So you're going to get hold of the organza bag that comes with your order. Inside that you will find your glue. So grab your lash, give the band a little bit of a wiggle. This will just help to soften them up a little bit since they're brand new. And then we're going to take our glue and just apply a really thin layer. So you only want to get the glue right on the lash band itself and not on the lashes. Make sure you get some right on the inner corner and outer corner of the lash. I'm just going to set this aside for about 30 to 40 seconds and let this glue get a little bit tacky. So as the glue starts to dry, it's going to get less white and more like a clear blue. Once it's pretty much all blue, that's when your lash is ready to put on. So I've got my little mirror. I'm going to place it almost directly opposite my chin and I'm going to look down into the mirror, keeping my eyes open but looking downwards so I can see all of my lash line. I'm going to take my lash and land it like a plane down on my lash line. So you want to try and get it as close to your natural lashes as possible. First of all, place the center of the lash right where you need it. Then I'm going to attach the outer corner and then finally the inner corner. So getting it super close to the lash line can be a little bit tricky at first if you're not used to it, but as long as you're looking down into a mirror and you've got a steady hand, you can 100% do it. You want to make sure that you're getting the glue on your skin and not your natural lashes, so you should feel it like cold or like wet glue against your eyelids. So as you just saw, I use my fingers to apply my lashes. That's my personal preferred way, but a lot of people like to use a lash tool like this one. What these lash tools are super great for is pinching together your false lashes with your natural lashes, which is a really important step to making them look as seamless as possible. So you can pinch together your lashes just with your fingers, with a tweezer, or with a lash tool like this. I think the easiest way is with the lash tool. Okay, so let's talk finishing touches. You can always add an eyeliner or a black eyeshadow if you want to cover up your lash band. I've already got a little bit of a touch of brown eyeshadow on as eyeliner. Another tip, if you feel it's a little bit harsh in here, you can add a little bit of eyeliner or eyeshadow, just a tiny bit to help blend it in. See the difference between that and that? Once my eyelashes are completely dry, I'm going to add a really thin coat of mascara. So the reason I'm going to apply mascara is to blend in my natural lashes with the false ones so that I don't see them sticking out here. it's also going to coat them in that same rich black, the same as my Queen Bee lashes. So when doing this, I just want to coat my own natural lashes. Don't really want to get too much on the false ones. They don't really need mascara. All I'm trying to do is kind of blend them in a little bit with those hairs. You can apply mascara before your lashes if you prefer to do it that way. I just tend to find that it looks a little bit more natural if you can blend them in with the false ones. Okay, so once I've got my mascara on, that is the finished lash look. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and we will get back to you. I really hope this video was helpful and informative. We all can't wait to see you in your Beehive Beauty lashes. Thank you again for shopping with us.